Hello everyone. Today we talk about the American curvy plus size model Kaena Willy. Kaena Willy is a well-known American plus size model, curvy influencer and content creator. She has gained popularity for her confident and stylish presence on social media, especially on Instagram. Through her photos and videos, she inspires many by showcasing her beautiful curves and trendy fashion choices. She was born and raised in the United States. Kaina started her Instagram journey in 2016. Over the years, she has built a strong following and worked with many well-known brands in fashion, beauty, sports, lingerie and apparel. Kaina's modeling career is not just about fashion, it's about empowerment. She encourages people to embrace their natural bodies and feel confident in their own skin. With her bold and stylish look, she continues to redefine beauty standards and inspire women worldwide. Her influence in the plus size fashion industry keeps growing and she remains a role model for many aspiring curvy models. Whether she is modeling stylish outfits or sharing self-love messages, Kaina Willy is making a significant impact in the world of fashion and body positivity. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and share.